I've got the beautiful Jenna here.
Hello.
We're getting her bleach blonde hair processing. She came in with like about that much root, and I just did an all-over lightener on her hair. And she's gonna sit for about 30 minutes or so, and then she'll be nice and icy blonde. Yay, we're excited. And then I actually just kind of got my extensions finished. I kind of want to do a part 2 of mine. I actually haven't quite finished yet. We ran out of time, but we're gonna finish up later, and then I'm gonna curl my hair. But so far, I am loving, loving, loving these NBR extensions. And then what else we got planned? After this, she's gonna go to her place and do some spray tans.
Yes, I am.
You want to tell everybody where your place is again?
Okay, I am. I feel like I'm confused. I'm like, okay, Miss Lita, I'm at Salon Lofts on Falls of News in loft number 7 doing fantastic airbrush customized spray tans with natural and organic products to have you glowing all summer long. No, but for real, they're awesome. And I also have tanning mousse and mist and different things that I sell to keep your tan up, and it's so much fun, and I really want to meet you, so if you're considering getting one, hit me up on Instagram at Here She Glows.
Here She Glows, and here, spell that out.
Okay, 𝗧𝗢𝗢𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 𝗧𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗛𝗢𝗡.
And you know what? We're gonna
Thank
put
you.
it in the
Thank
comments, and in the beginning of this video, we'll have it on the top, her Instagram where you can go. And because we've had some people contact us about spray tans, and now we have your gal right here doing customized spray tans.
Here to serve, and we will be showing you updates of my hair.
Yes, that's icy blonde.
Woo!
All right.